Hello, in this video tutorial, we'll be going over how to set up a package report schedule. A package schedule allows the setting up of a number of reports to be generated at defined intervals and delivered to one or more defined destinations. This means, for example, that your entire monthly report pack, consisting of a number of reports, can be sent to a recipient with all reports attached to a single email. You can also zip up the reports into a single zip file or export them out into a single Excel workbook. To create a package schedule, click on New Schedule, then select Package Report Schedule. You will then be taken to a Step 1 package setup. For package name, enter in a unique name for your report. In this example, I'm going to name my report Package Schedule. The Create inbox lets you choose the location of where you want your report to be created. In this example, I have chosen Desktop, CRD Examples. For description, you can enter a brief description about your report. This will help other users identify what your report is about. The keyword box is used later by Smart Folders to identify your report. Once you have entered in the required information, click on Next. You will then be taken to Step 2 Schedule Setup. Schedule Setup allows you to modify the days, weeks, or months of when you want your report to run. For example, you could run your schedules every day on certain days of the month, or you can edit and modify the day, time, and month you would like your report to execute. Start date is used to select the date that you would like your report to start executing. End date is used to select the time you would like your report to stop executing. The checkbox that contains Repeat Every. You can select this option if you want your report to repeat at a certain amount of hours and the time you would like your report to repeat until. You can uncheck Enabled to enable the report to run automatically or disable the report and run it manually. Once you have entered in the required information, click on Next. You will then be taken to Step 3 Destination Setup. For Step 3 Destination Setup, this is where you choose the destinations that you would like your report to be sent to. You can select this by clicking on the Add button. From here, you have to enter in a destination name, or you can choose the destination type. The selections are disk, email, fax, FTP, ODBC, printer, SharePoint, and SMS. In this example, we're going to choose a disk location. For file path, you select the path in which you would like your reports to save on. In this example, I'm going to choose desktop. The Output Format tab allows you to choose how you want your schedules to be packaged in. Once you have chosen your destination type, click on OK. You will then be taken back to Step 3 Destination Setup. You can select the Edit button to edit the package destinations that you just modified, Delete to delete the destination, and Import to import a previously set up destination. The up and down arrows allow you to rearrange the destinations as well. The Append Date and Timestamp checkbox. This is useful for the following reasons. If the file name is the same name each time and it's being exported to the same folder each time, then it will be overwritten by the latest one. By appending the date and time to this file name, each file name remains unique. Therefore, no files are overwritten. Once this information is fulfilled, click on Next. You will then be taken to Step 4, Add Reports. The Add button lets you choose the location of where your reports are located. In this example, we'll be choosing 2 reports from CRD. After choosing the report, you can choose the format in which you would like your package to export to. In this example, we're going to choose Adobe format. From here, you can also enter in additional information about your PDF. You can enter a password for the owner and a password for the user. You can also write in a watermark. Once this information is entered, click on OK. To add another report, click on Add again. You will then be taken to another window to select the format that you would like to export your report. In this example, we're going to choose Microsoft Word format. The Parameters tab shows information provides advanced record selection editing capabilities for your report. If your report contains a report parameter, then you will have to click on Parameter and edit the value of your report. In this example of a report, since it has a particular parameter, we're going to just choose a company name. Once you have entered the required information, hit on OK. You will then be taken back to step 4, the Add Reports. There are also additional options such as merging, in which all your reports you have packaged, you can merge them all into one single workbook and choose the format in which you would like it to be in. The box to the right allows you to name the Excel package. You can also choose a PDF package to merge all your reports into one. From here, you can also choose additional options as in to set a password encryption and a watermark. For the snapshot checkbox, you can choose to enable snapshots, which are copies of the exported reports at the time that the schedule is ran. The multi-threading checkbox is used to export your reports at a faster time. Select this option if you have Crystals 2008 or above. Once you have entered in the acquired information above, click on the Next button. You will then be taken to Step 5, Exception Handling. The Exception Handling screen allows you to select how you would like your report to be treated if it runs into an error. You can change the options such as, on error, retry executing schedules every certain amount of minutes, and how many times you want it to execute during those minutes. You can also choose additional options as in fill the whole schedule if the report fails to run, which means that if one report fails, selecting this option will cancel the whole entire report. Once you have entered in the acquired information for Step 5, click on Next. You will then be taken to the Custom Task screen. The Custom Task section allows you to write a series of automation actions which can be set to run before a report is ran or after a report is ran, or both. In here, you can choose additional options such as, in the General tab, run a program or document, print a document, execute another schedule, pause or delay, or send an SMS. There are also additional options to choose from. To find out more information about custom tasks, please view our custom tasks video. Once you have selected the following information, click on the Finish button. Once you click on Finish, you will be taken back to the CRD desktop menu. In here, you'll find your package name. Depending on how you set up your report to run, if it's running automatically, it will run at the time you set. To run your schedule manually, right-click on your schedule and click on Execute. CRD will then try to execute your schedule. If the schedule completed successfully, a message will come up from CRD saying Schedule Execution Completed. This is how to create a package report schedule.